Hi Lisa. Have you ever been in a situation where you wanted to introduce yourself in English but didn't know what to say?
Oh, yes. It can be difficult to talk about yourself if you don't have the right words.
That's why today, we'll help everyone practice speaking about themselves in English, step by step.
That sounds great. Let's get started.
The first step in any conversation is introducing yourself. Lisa, how do you introduce yourself?
Well, I usually say, "Hi, my name is Lisa. Nice to meet you."
That's perfect. You can also add a little more information like where you're from. For example, hi, I'm Ryan. I'm from Canada. Nice to meet you.
Right. And if you want to sound more friendly, you can ask a question. "Hi, I'm Lisa. What's your name?" Explanation. Start with hi or hello. Say your name. My name is or I'm. Optional. Mention where you're from. End with a polite phrase. Nice to meet you.
After introductions, people often ask about hobbies. Lisa, what do you like to do in your free time?
I love reading books and watching movies. What about you?
I enjoy playing the guitar and traveling to new places.
That's great. A simple way to talk about hobbies is, I like or I enjoy.
You can also use I'm interested in to sound more advanced. Explanation. Use I like plus activity, e.g. I like playing soccer. Use I enjoy plus activity, e.g. I enjoy listening to music. Use I'm interested in for broader topics, e.g. I'm interested in photography. Now let's talk about work and studies. Lisa, what do you do?
I'm a student. I study business at university. How about you?
I work as a teacher. I teach English to beginners.
A good way to describe your job is, I work as a or I am a.
And for students, say I study or I'm studying. Explanation. Say I work as a for jobs, e.g. I work as a nurse. Use I am a for job titles, e.g. I am a doctor. For students, I study or I'm studying, e.g. I study engineering. Family is another common topic in conversations. Lisa, can you tell me about your family?
Sure. I have one brother and two sisters. We live with our parents in a small town.
That's nice. I have a big family. I have 3 brothers and a sister. We all live in the city.
A good way to talk about family is to say I have or they're in my family. Explanation. Use I have to talk about family members, e.g. I have a brother and a sister. Use there are in my family, e.g. there are 5 people in my family. Mention where they live or what they do.
People often ask about future plans. Lisa, what are your goals?
I want to become a business manager and travel the world. What about you?
I hope to continue teaching and help more students learn English.
That's wonderful. A simple way to express goals is I want to, or my dream is to. Explanation. Use I want to. For short-term goals, e.g. I want to learn Spanish. Use my dream is to for long-term goals, e.g. my dream is to be a doctor. Use I hope to. For future possibilities, e.g. I hope to travel next year.
Now let's talk about common mistakes when talking about yourself.
One mistake is using the wrong verb tense. For example, saying I am studying English instead of I am studying English.
Yes. Another mistake is forgetting word order. Instead of I like very much music, say I like music very much.
A good tip is to listen to native speakers and copy their sentence structure. Explanation. Use the correct verb tense. Pay attention to word order. Practice listening to native speakers.
Now let's practice a short conversation. I'll introduce myself first.
Okay, let's do it. We covered a lot today.
Yes. To summarize, practice introducing yourself, talk about hobbies, work, family, and future goals.
The more you practice, the more confident you'll become.
Keep practicing and soon you'll speak English fluently.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.